Hello guys, welcome to my online tips. In today's video I want to share with you some arbitrage opportunity on breaking bet software, and the game we have today is a 6% outcome, which means that if you play or take this trade, you make a profit of 6.4%. And the game is a game in Norway Division 2, where Alta is taking on Strong God Set 2. And the first arbitrage is in Naira base with a odd of 3.1. Then the option is over 4.5 goals in Naira base. Then you go to Bet King and you play that same game under 4.5 goals with the odd of 1.62. That's a game in Norway Division 2, a game between Alta versus Strong God Set 2. Okay, moving on. If you are not in Nigeria, you can play this other game also. Iceland under 20 women versus Bulgaria under 20 women. Total over 119.5 is a basketball game in the international women basketball. Then that one is in Bet WG, that's Golden Bet winners, a Nigerian website. Then you can go to Pinnacle, which is a foreign bookmaker. You play that same game, Iceland versus Bulgaria basketball women league under 119.5 at the odd of 2.51. That one is a 5.6% profit. Okay, those are the two games I have on the arbitrage side. Let me check the value bet and see what they have. Okay, there's another 1.92 odd here in football, a game between Royal Antwerp versus Circle Bruges, and the prediction is under 1.5 cats for the home team, which is Royal Antwerp. That means Royal Antwerp will get a less than 2 cats in the game, and you see that option in 1xBet and bet winners. So if you are not on bet winners, I will leave the link in the comment section, so you sign up and then play this game. Another one is a game in the Argentina Primera B, where All Boys is taking on Defensa Unido, and the prediction they give is under 2 for the home team. That means the home team will not score more than 2 goals in the match at the odd of 1.62. Then another game we have is a game between Cyrus versus AIK in the Sweden Allsvenskan League, and the prediction is corner, as total under 5.5 corners for the home team, which is Cyrus, at the odd of 2.10 odd. Then another one is a game between Alta versus Strong God Set. Total over 1.5 goals in first half. So I'll go on and place this game. Then another one again is a game between Canada women versus Australia women. This game will take place tomorrow, being the 31st of July, and the prediction is total under 9.5 corners in the match at the odd of 1.95. So go ahead and play this game, and then let's see how it goes.